project, we researched about snowstorms.
We were wondering what causes a snowstorm. We researched that it is something called an air mass. It's when the hot air is up in the clouds and the cold air is down in the air. When they overlap, when the hot air is right above the cold air, it rains in the hot air and then it turns into snow in the cold air and then it falls to the ground as snow.
Our question is, will the snow pile up on one side or the other side, or will it be even on both sides?
Our materials are a glass jar, baby oil, glitter, white paint, a salter tab, and a hot cup of water. Let's get started. The first step is take some paint and dump about half the bottle in. And then we're going to take a little bit of glitter, which is 2 teaspoons, and dump it in.
Sugar?
Then we're gonna stir it up. And once that's nicely mixed, we can take our mixture and we're gonna pour it in to the jar with our baby oil. Then we're gonna after it all soaks to the bottom, and it's all settled at the bottom, we can put the Alka-Seltzer tab in. I'm pretty sure that's all at the bottom now.
And it's getting bubbly.
Yeah, and you guys ready to put the Alka-Seltzer tab in?
Yeah. I kind of noticed the paint in the glitter is going up, and then when it hits the top of the baby oil, it falls back down and it looks like snow.
Yeah, it
And
does.
it looks like it's falling out of the clouds, kind of.
Because the top is like kind of all white, so it looks like it's snowing out of the clouds.
So that means that the answer to Sammy's question is...
Wait, but if you turn it sideways, you can see there's not very much over here, and most of it is over here.
That means that the water goes, or the paint and glitter goes on one side.
I mean, there's a tiny bit over here, but there's a lot over here.
That means it all goes on one side instead of the
I
other.
think the hypothesis was correct.
Yeah.
As meteorologist, I would recommend you compare and contrast in a jar and outside in real life. Have fun exploring!